Fig, which takes its place on the counter towards the end of the summer season and is among the favorite foods, is consumed both fresh and dried. The fruit fig, which is loved by everyone, young or old, is a very popular food source with its benefits. Did you know that fig leaves and milk are just as beneficial as themselves? It turned out that the leaf of the fig, which you thought was not consumed, also gave healing. The benefits of fig leaves surprise those who hear. After hearing the benefits of fig leaf, you will regret that you have not consumed it until today. At the same time, it is known that milk from unripe figs is good for warts. So what is the method that removes warts? Here are the diseases that the fig leaf is good for, the method of consuming the fig leaf and the benefits of fig milk. How to use fig leaf? What are the health benefits? Benefits of fig leaf milk. Where there are moles, warts, genital warts, fungal infections, boils and skin infections in various parts of the body, you can get rid of them by rubbing the milk of the fig leaf on the affected area. Fig leaf, which has the effect of reducing sugar in a natural way, is very useful for diabetics. Diabetic patients using insulin, thanks to the fig leaf, need less insulin doses. Fig, which has the highest fiber feature among fruits, is also beneficial for hemorrhoids and Piles disease. How to use fig leaf? For the treatment of varicose veins, put 5 fig leaves in 5 glasses of water and boil for 5 minutes. Drink 1 glass of water and apply the rest to the varicose area after it has cooled. This can be applied from time to time after 21 days. For the treatment of bronchitis, put 3 fig leaves and 2 glasses of water in the pot and boil for 15 minutes. Then remove the leaves, drink this water. You can sweeten it with honey if you wish. Cancer patients and those with cardiovascular diseases can prepare and drink fig leaf tea. They should also continue to eat fresh figs daily. Chewing and swallowing 2 fig leaves helps in the treatment of ulcers. If you suffer from hemorrhoids disease, boil 3 fig leaves in 4 glasses of water and boil for at least 15 minutes. Take it off the stove and let it cool. Remove the leaves and sit in this water or apply this water to the hemorrhoids area. If you want to use the fig leaf internally, you should first dry the leaf under the sun. After drying the fig leaves, separate them from the thick veins and crumble them. Put the chopped fig leaf dried in a jar and store in a cool and dry place. Consume dried leaves by adding them to your soup or meals. You will see the benefits of continuous use for 3 months. To reduce high blood pressure, boil 3 fig leaves in 2 glasses of water for 15 minutes and drink it every day. For shingles, put 3 to 4 fig leaves in 2 glasses of water, boil for a few minutes and leave to cool. Take the leaves from inside, dip a cloth in it and apply this cloth to the area with shingles. If you have ulcers and stomach discomfort, you can consume fig leaves. Fig leaves are also very useful for people with constipation problems. Fig leaf can also help people with weight complaints as it gives a feeling of satiety. You can relieve your ulcer pain by chewing the fig leaf. Do not forget to support us by liking the video, subscribing to our channel for free, and commenting so that more such videos will come. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.